And Todd is back now with a full check at the weather. Todd, when I drove in around like 2:30 to work this morning, it was pretty quiet out there, but it sounds like for most Mainers today, that's really not going to be the case.
No, and it's ramping up very quickly this morning. You know, first thing, we're already starting to see a little light drizzle fall into surface air that's below freezing, so that's not good. A lot of advisories and warnings out there this morning. Winter weather advisories for Portland, Lewiston, Augusta, up through Bangor. In these spots, it's ice, and then we have a winter storm warnings up for our northern counties. For these spots, it's snow. Notice there isn't any on the down east coastline. There won't be as much icing occurring here. And notice there isn't anything in the western Maine mountains or northern Maine, New Hampshire mountains. There won't be as much snow there, but everywhere else there will be some major problems this morning. Here we go. The precipitation is racing in and kind of expanding northward. Surface temperatures I threw on here for you. We've got 29 degrees in Portland. It is above freezing out on Cape Elizabeth right now, 33, but I do expect they'll go back and forth between 32 and 33, that kind of thing. You go inland, it's in the 20s. There aren't many spots on the mid-coast that are above freezing, but New Harbor happens to be at 42 and Wiscasset is 32 degrees. We look northbound, Augusta, you're 27, so this is racing your way. You'll start to see some flakes and you'll hear some sleet pellets and then eventually some freezing rain. It'll all happen pretty quickly this morning, so get ready. The roads are going to instantly ice up on you. If there isn't already some salt out there or some sand for some traction on your front steps, those will be slippery too. Other temps across the area, almost the entire interior is going to stay below freezing through this whole thing. It's down east in the mid-coast where we start to warm up just a little bit. Area of low pressure off the Carolinas is taking over. This will be the primary low, and it'll expand and move up to the north here and throw some moisture back into this cold air mass. So that's a recipe for mixed precipitation. Icy mix sliding in, instantly icy if unsalted this morning. There will be an all-snow zone, and it's basically north of Route 2 in the western Maine mountains and then north of Bangor up through the central highlands and northern Maine. Middle of the day, the icy mix continues. We'll try to get a little warmth in along the coastline. There may be some success along the south coast, but it's not like we're going to hit 40 degrees. It may get to 33 or 34, so we'll keep the icy spots going through the middle of the day. Down East Maine, different story. It will climb into the 40s here. Winds will be more onshore off of the water. And again, steady as snow up in the mountains. We'll start to shift into northern Maine as we go into the early afternoon, and we'll crank out some snow in the county, especially this afternoon and early this evening. We'll also get some tapering pretty quickly. I'd say by 3 o'clock, we're pretty much out of the woods in Portland and Lewiston, and this will slide out of the Bangor area by 5 or 6 o'clock as well. We'll all clear out tonight, and with temperatures dropping tonight, anything that's wet will actually refreeze, so there will probably be a lot of black ice issues tomorrow morning. This map essentially hasn't changed. Most concern is with the icy glaze that all of us will see after maybe a little bit of a coating of snow. 1 to 3 inches of snow, New Hampshire and parts of the western Maine mountains, 3 to 6 central highlands, and 6 to 10 inches of snow up in the county. Tomorrow looks good though, and Friday does too. Christmas Eve should be quiet if you're traveling around at the northeast. I don't expect any problems at all. Saturday, Christmas Day, this system is weak and traveling pretty far south. There may be some light snow around in far southern Maine, but it shouldn't be a big deal at all. Maybe some mood snow for you on Christmas Day. Gale warnings are up tonight into tomorrow morning as the winds go into the northwest. Today they're out of the southeast, seas 2 to 4 feet. Icy and snowy for the interior and icy and rainy along the coastline today. That all moves out. It'll be back to sunshine tomorrow, but it stays cold. Christmas Eve is quiet and also cold. Christmas Day, chance for some snow showers, high 32. And then it looks storm-free for Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. So once we get rid of this one, Chloe, and that's not going to be an easy thing, an easy task, but we will be in good shape after it passes.
All right, I guess officially winter sort of comes with the territory, so
yes,
got to stick with it for a few more months.
few more hours here.
Thanks, Todd.
Yep.